Here we are, the start of another work week, start of another month. Welcome to February, everyone, and I hope you had a good weekend. The weather was certainly great over the weekend. We reached 59 yesterday, too shy of the record. And we might flirt with numbers like that before this week is through, before we get back to more typical mid-winter weather. Well, it kind of looks like winter today. Temperatures are struggling. We've got a thick deck of stratus and stratocumulus clouds around the region this afternoon, including down in Columbiana. Similar look in Niles, although it might be a little brighter up in Niles. Now, we are expecting some clearing before the afternoon is through. I'll show you the satellite in just a second. But, of course, it's much cooler than it was over the weekend, with temperatures basically flatlined right now in the lower 40s. It's a lot different than the upper 50s that we had 24 hours ago. We have temperatures in the warmest places around 42, 43 this afternoon. Most everyone's between 40 and 43 degrees. The radar is quiet as the rain is pushed off to the south and east. That's the rain that we had last night. Notice the clearing going on towards Cincinnati and out towards Indianapolis. This is what's going to work in before the afternoon is through. So with sunsets now getting up to about, 5:40, I think a lot of us will see some sun at the last minute, and it could make for a really nice sunset this evening. So if you find yourself taking pictures of a cool sunset, pass them along on my social media or weatherpics@wfmj.com. In the meantime, big-time winter storm out in the Four Corners region, out into the Plain States. This is going to produce a big swath of big-time snows over the next 24 to 36 hours, but we will be on the warm side. Tomorrow morning starts around 30, but notice tomorrow afternoon back into the upper 40s to around 50. I wouldn't even be shocked if it was a little bit warmer than this. And then tomorrow night, very balmy despite the rain. Look at these temperatures as we go through the wee hours of Wednesday morning. It'll be well up into the 50s. There might even be a rumble of thunder in the pre-dawn hours on Wednesday. Rain pretty much out of here by lunchtime. Now notice what our in-house model's doing here with the temperatures Wednesday. It's not rushing in the cool air and actually allows it to get up to 60 by midday on Wednesday. That might be the right idea. Then temperatures will start to crash towards the end of the day, and by Wednesday night and Thursday, it'll definitely feel more like February. Rainfall amounts, there's some discrepancies here with our modeling. The RPM has a quarter of an inch. The latest GFS has almost an inch worth of rain. I think a good average will be half an inch to 3/4 of an inch, so a little bit of a natural car wash coming our way Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, so leave the cars out if you want them to get a bath. On weather for Weather Geeks this evening, we'll talk about all the aspects of that midweek system, the warm side, the cool side, and everything you need to know on that. We'll talk about the weekend, which promises to be pretty tranquil, and still talking about some big-time cold, at least for a few days, in the longer range. That'll be towards the end of next week. So all that coming up on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening, and you can check out my 7-day forecast this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11. I'll see you then.